Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to call spontaneously text unlimited free on iPhone device. So if you would like to, if you are interested to make a call and text unlimited free by virtue of any iPhone device, then you will have to go in apps store first of all, and you have to go in a search and you have to type here text me, and just you have to download it. So let's see, this is a here text me, just you have to go for get in, and of course I have to go for download it. So let's see. Once again I will have to see guys, by virtue of this application you will be able to make call and unlimited text on any number. So I will show you that's how you will execute to make a call free and unlimited text. So now I'm going to open it. I will go for allow it, and here what do we have to do? Just simply I have to click on this arrow here, this one's. So let's see. Once again I will have to go for fine. Now I have to go for once again click on arrow next, and I will go for here get started. Now see guys, we have a three option. One is a sign with Apple ID, second is a sign in with Google ID, and third one is your Facebook in with sign in with Facebook ID. So what I will do guys, just simply I will go with sign in, and just I will go for here fine. Now it's done finally. Just I will click here. Now just I will cut it, and now what I do guys here, simply see here this one's is a call options here, this one. So just I will click here. Now I will go for allow to microphones. So yes, I will go for allow it, and I will go for OK. Now let me cut it. Once again I will come on this app, that is here text me. I will back it. I will go for here cut it. Let me back. Now see guys, here we have a one call option, second is your inbox, third one is your number, and fourth one is your me. So what I will do, just I will click on a plus, and I will go for allow it once again. Now see, you can call whatever number you will choose to make a call here. See, get a phone number. So just I will click on this number. Now you can choose here. So let me this one's, I will go for this one's. Now see guys, you will have to choose one number. So just I will first one I will choose. So that will be your permanent number. Now see here what I will do, I would like to make a call here. So what I will do guys here, simply I will click on this dot, on this here. So let me, now you can dial to any number to make, for example, let's see, and I will go for call it. So now see guys, it has just started to a call. So just I'm going to end it. Similarly, if you would like to text it to anyone, of course you can by click here. Let me back here. See here, voicemail, missed calls, and you would like to have the premium. Of course you can go for premium, no problem at all. Here, this one, it's for your text. So just I will go for text me, and here, yes, you can have the text to anyone by free. So just I will let me get it. Now see guys here, if you would like to text to anyone, once again I will try here. I will go for click here. Now see guys, you can text to anyone easily and it's absolutely free. You can call, if you would like to call to anyone by free, of course, just you have to go for on 3 here on this, and you can make a call to anyone by free, of course. So my motive, that's how you will call to anyone and how you will text unlimited for free by using of the iPhone device guys. So this is all about in this video tutorials, and if this video is